Welcome back to Tom's Garage. Boy, I tell you, it's a beautiful day. Let me show you how beautiful that day is. It's early in the morning. I got some coffee. Woo! What is going on? Today, all day, we are working on a Stihl FS56RC Weedeater. Weedy little eater. Woo! Oh, it's too early for this. Hang on a second. Money. Let's see who this is. Give you one guess who that is. Nope, it's an email. It's an email for money. Let me show you what this crazy little weed eater's doing. I'm sure y'all probably seen this before. It's gonna be a good day, tater. Gator day, tater. All right, purge bulb, chokey. Hold the throttle down. Let me unchoke it. Choke it back. Choke it back, boy. Come on, dude. Cranky. Cranky. Wakey, spanky. Well, this thing ain't wanting to crank. Ooh, I think I got it flooded. Ooh. Well, ain't nothing like a good early morning exercise. Get the old blood pumping. I'm not going to choke it, I'm going to let off the throttle. I believe I got it flooded, I can smell it. There it goes, I can hear it. Yeah. It ain't turning. Oh yeah, you can hear that. Whew. Got the blood pumping this morning. Money. Hang on. Well, I wonder who that was on the phone. Let's pull the head off this Weedeater and see what in the world is going on in there, because that's where all the noise and non-functioning is coming from. So let's do that. Let's do it. Okay, I keep this little piece of Allen wrench, just a perfect size. Stick it in the little hole. Give it a spin. Oh, look at there. That hole was already lined up. Now you got to remember this thing is reverse thread, so righty loosey, lefty tighty. There we go. Yeah, look at there. Hang on to it. Now, what we're going to do, flip it over. You got one little set screw in this FS56RC. You get your Torx 27. Give it a loosen. You might have to take a little screwdriver and spread that just so gently. But this is, yep, look at there, that's gonna come off pretty easy. And that's all there is to it. Let's see what we got here. Let me find my little pokey tool. And we'll use this and see here. What do we have? Yep, look at there. Let me turn some lights on. See a little better. Right in here, you can see these bearings. Let me get a flashlight. Get a flashlight. Now you can see that little bearing. That little bearing in there is just absolutely gone. Absolutely gone. You can stick that in and just wiggle. Wiggle. Yep, that bearing is gone. This is the little square insert where that square end on that drive shaft goes in here, and you can see that bearing is gone. You can waller that thing around. Trying to get you a good shot of it here. Yeah, you can see how it's laid over there, and it just, that's what the problem is. That's a lack of grease right there. That is a lack of maintenance. You hear that wiggly wiggly? Wiggly wiggly. So now what we'll do is push this drive shaft back up in there, and you can feel it engage with the clutch, and you can hear that clutch up there. You can hear that clutch spinning when you spin that drive shaft. So that tells you you're engaged. And the part number for that head is a 4144 640 0100. Yeah. Now we'll take the new head. It's a brand new head. I'm sorry guys, I put too much sugar in my coffee this morning. Well, I'm wired up. We're gonna get rid of this. This is a brush cutter cup, which we ain't gonna need that. We'll get rid of that. Don't need the nut, don't need that. Don't need that. What we're gonna do is just use that. And there's, see, that thing is supposed to be nice and stable. You got one ball bearing, roller sealed bearing, roller bearing, right there. And let's see, yep, this one didn't come with a screw. So we'll save this screw off the old head. I don't believe that's the same thread. It's not. Huh. Let me hit pause. I'm gonna go find a screw because this is not the same thread. You can see how coarse this screw is. And then the thread, that'll never screw into that. If it will, you're gonna ruin it. Yeah. I think, yeah, this is a lot finer thread than that is. I don't know why it didn't come with a screw. Huh. Let me hit pause, I'll find a screw for it. Okay, I dug through my drawers over there and I found a 8mm metric that will fit in there just perfectly, same threads. I'm gonna put a lock washer on there, and I'm gonna put a little bit of this removable Loctite, number 242. Now, what you wanna do is slide it on there. You'll see how far the other one went on there. So you can feel it stop because that drive shaft isn't engaging. So just take and twist this a little bit. There it goes. Slid right on. Now with the weed eater sitting there just perfectly level, flat, make sure the head is perfectly straight with the shaft. Perfectly straight with the shaft. And I'll put a little bit of this on there. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we will install the screw. This screw right here has got a Phillips, number 3 Phillips head on it. So we'll come over here and grab the old number 3. And we'll run it down. Ever so gently. It looks pretty straight with the machine. Now we'll grab this and spin it. I can hear the clutch drum turning up there, so everything's good. Now let me flip it back over, and we'll put this on there, and we'll grab our trusty little Allen wrench. We will put it in the hole, catch it so it don't turn, and we'll simply just put the head back on. Lefty tighty. Lefty tighty. And we'll give it a good, and that's all there is to it. There you go. The customer didn't have his guard on here, so we don't have to worry about taking that off and on. All right. And we'll slide the old Camaro back and fire it up. Fire it up. Well, all right, guys. Thanks for watching the old video. Tell somebody I love them. Love each other unconditionally. And I got to go in there and get something to eat. I put too much sugar in my coffee this morning, and I had 2 cups. I never do that. Woo! Too early in the morning. Well, guys, I love y'all. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.